I thought I would show you how to place the screen guard onto your phone. Now this phone, we have done a screen replacement on it, and let me remove the threads that were holding the screen into place. But you know, that's not the point of now's video. Now's video is to show you how to perfectly place a screen guard into such a phone. Now that we've successfully removed flying up. So I guess we'll wait for things to calm down a little and place our screen guard. For now, let me just be wiping. Okay. I had promised I would do a laminar flow cabinet. Okay. I'll leave that. And wipe that. That. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's not as straightforward as it feels. I feel it's clean enough. Let me play with this then and bring it there. So we're leaving a millimeter on the other side and at the bottom Okay, I think that's okay. I'm going to lower it a bit because of the proximity sensor valve. Alright, then it runs by itself till the other end. Now let me wake it up and see. So like these differences color, and that's when you lift it up the door. So we are going to squeeze this out. Well, this should have left. Okay, I think it shuts off here, hopefully. But I think it's a lot. And they connect and this gets out. Okay, alright. Alright, I think those are particles that found their way under. Alright, oh, they are air bubbles after all. Okay, that's what we have there. And we wake it up. Okay, so that's that. See you.